Comey. He is now charged with making a false statement and obstruction. NBC's Alice Barr is following this story for us. And Alice, President Trump called for Comey to be prosecuted.
He did, Danita, and good morning to you. President Trump's known animosity toward Comey dates back to his having approved the Russia investigation from the first Trump campaign on Capitol Hill. Democrats are accusing the president of abusing the power of the Justice Department, while Republican allies applaud the move.
Incidences of obstruction of justice.
This morning, a former director of the FBI waking up as a felony defendant. James Comey now indicted by a grand jury on charges of making a false statement and obstruction of a congressional proceeding. It is a major escalation against someone President Trump sees as a political enemy.
My family and I have known for years that there are costs to standing up to Donald Trump.
Comey posting this video overnight.
And I'm innocent, so let's have a trial.
As the president celebrated the news with the words, "Justice in America." The charges stem from congressional testimony Comey gave in September 2020 when he was pressed over whether he lied to Congress years earlier about authorizing a leak to the press involving investigations into Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton.
I stand by what the testimony you summarized.
The statute of limitations for the charges was set to run out next week. On Saturday, President Trump publicly pressed Attorney General Pam Bondi to take action against Comey and other perceived political opponents who've investigated him. Yesterday, before the indictment, saying this.
I think I'd be allowed to get involved if I want, but I don't really choose to do so. I can only say that Comey's a bad person.
The top prosecutor tasked with leading the Comey investigation resigned last week rather than seeking an indictment, while a senior DOJ official tells NBC News career prosecutors laid out why they believe there was not enough evidence to charge in a memo to President Trump's hand-picked replacement and former personal attorney Lindsay Halligan, who has no experience as a prosecutor and is now the only one to sign Comey's charging papers.
And Comey is now ordered to appear in court in just under 2 weeks. As Attorney General Pam Bondi said, the Justice Department will follow the facts in this case. Danita?
All right, Alice Barr reporting live from D.C. for us this morning. Thank you.